In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Charles Schwab 1099 into TurboTax. If you're getting ready to file your taxes and want to bring in your investment tax forms more efficiently, this process can save time and help reduce manual entry. We'll be working inside TurboTax and navigating to the section where your brokerage documents can be added. To begin, move your cursor over the income section in TurboTax. This is where the platform organizes the different types of income you may need to report, including wages, interest, dividends, and investment-related tax documents. Hovering here will open the area we need, so you can continue to the correct category. Next, click on Investments and Savings. Since a Charles Schwab 1099 usually includes information like dividends, interest, and sales proceeds, this is the section where TurboTax expects those records to be entered or imported. Taking this route helps make sure your form goes into the right part of your return. When TurboTax asks whether you have investment income to work on, click Yes. This tells the software that you do need to add investment-related tax details and allows you to move forward to the import options. From the list of financial institutions, click on Charles Schwab and Company. Choosing the correct brokerage is important because it keeps your import or upload connected to the right source and the right form type. After that, click on Enter a different way. This option is useful when you don't want to use the standard sign and import method, or if you prefer to provide the document another way. It can also be a helpful workaround if direct connection options are limited or unavailable. Now click on Upload. This switches the process from connecting to the brokerage account directly to submitting the tax document file through TurboTax. If you already downloaded your 1099 from your Schwab account, this is the option you'll want. Then click the area that says Drop Docs here or Browse. At this point, you can either drag and drop your 1099 file into the upload box or browse your computer to locate it manually. Once you find the correct file, select it and proceed with the upload. As a quick tip, before uploading, make sure you're choosing the correct 1099 document for the tax year you're filing. It's also a good idea to review the imported information afterward to confirm that everything transferred correctly. And that's how to import a Charles Schwab 1099 into TurboTax.